Hi and welcome again to another session of our online training for DSAS Package 1 DSL Segregator. So for this part of our session, we'll be discussing about the second module of the Data Sanity Checker programs, which is the engineering attributes. So the engineering attributes basically checks the correctness and acceptability of the engineering data based on commonly used and acceptable industry standards. So basically this program validates every field inside our network data based on gathered information from different sources, books, and the references. Later on, you will see that you can actually extend these values to adapt to your existing network. So here are some of the list. So here is the listing of some of the possible errors that the program may encounter on our network data in the DSL template. So first error code is no error, so it means that there is no error on that data. Second, cannot open file, the program cannot open the database. The lookup table is not available. Configuration error, the entry is not among the list of allowed configurations. For the configuration distance relation error, this is one of the most common error that's being encountered by DUs. So here the entries in the distance columns such as D12, D23, D13, and others is not consistent with the given configuration. So for example, the configuration is horizontal, but H1 and H2 are not equal. So that will flag an error on your data. Connection error. So we have a list of allowed connections with our transformer based on set standard by the ERC. So it's been between 1 to 12. So if it's outside those numbers, the program will flag it as an error. Diameter error. This portion flags if the sum of the diameter under armor and the armor wire diameter is greater than the overall diameter. Distance error. If the entries in the distance columns such as D12, D23, D13, and others does not form a logical configuration for the conductor spacing. So for example, if it's a horizontal configuration and D13 is longer than the sum of D12 and D23, it will flag the entry. We also have duplicate entry or exceeds 25 characters. So if the allowed number of characters in that field is only 25 and you used more than 25 characters, then the program will flag as an error. Grounding error should be limited to from 0 to 4. Illegal character, incorrect phasing, install type error. So these are some of the checks that the program does, and basically it is based on the standards that is set by the ERC. So if you are familiar with the ERC guidelines, then you will be sure that you will encounter this type of errors. So this is the list of all the possible errors. You can review them later on, and as you encounter these errors, you can go back to these notes. You can even click the help button to view this document. So basically that's it for the engineering attributes results. So thank you very much.